Here's today's advice for my son. Perfection can be the enemy. What do I mean by that? Well, it's really simple, okay? Anything worth doing is worth doing right. But if you get stuck on trying to make it perfect, you're going to be exactly that, stuck. You'll never ever finish what it is that you set out to do. Now, that doesn't mean that you shouldn't do the best job that you actually can in that moment. It just means that if you try to make it perfect, you're going to waste a lot of time trying to perfect something that doesn't necessarily need to be perfect. It just needs to be the best that you're able to do for yourself. So anything that you're doing in life, whether you're writing an essay, whether you're applying for a job, whether you're doing, whether you're in a relationship, right? You have to do it the right way, meaning put your 100% effort in. That doesn't mean sit there and try to redo it and rethink it until it's exactly the way you want it to be. It just means go with your heart, follow through, and do the best that you can do in that moment, because that's when things open up. If you can do the best that you can possibly do, who can ask for anything more?